This is Asif Tanvir. So it is really important to start your bike in every 3 or 4 days at least once, and also it applies for the car. So I haven't done it. I haven't done it for like 8 days. So I'm going to start my bike after 8 long days. So I am shooting this video just to see if my bike will start in one kick or not. I am seeing you after a long time, man.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money.
Is it stable now?